Today, we're diving into the powerful world of castor oil, a natural remedy with a plethora of health benefits. Let's jump right in. Castor oil has been used for centuries to address various health issues, and modern research continues to validate its effectiveness. Here are some common health conditions where castor oil can work wonders. Skin conditions. Castor oil is renowned for its moisturizing properties and can alleviate dry skin, skin cysts, eczema, and dermatitis. Apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the affected area and massage gently. To use castor oil for skin cysts, apply a small amount directly to the affected area and gently massage it in. This can be done once or twice daily until the cyst diminishes in size or resolves. Studies have shown that castor oil's fatty acids can enhance skin barrier function, promoting healing within a few days to weeks. Constipation. Castor oil is a potent laxative due to its ricinoleic acid content, which stimulates bowel movements. For constipation relief, consume a teaspoon of castor oil mixed with juice or water before bedtime. Studies suggest that castor oil can induce bowel movements within 2 to 6 hours. Uterine fibroids. Castor oil packs are often used topically to help reduce the size of uterine fibroids. The theory is that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation associated with fibroids and promote their breakdown. To make a castor oil pack, soak a piece of cloth in castor oil and place it on the lower abdomen. Cover the pack with plastic wrap and apply heat, such as a hot water bottle, for about 30 to 60 minutes. This can be done several times a week. However, the time it takes for fibroids to shrink or resolve can vary greatly and may not occur for everyone. Ovarian cysts. Similar to uterine fibroids, castor oil packs may be used topically to help reduce the size of ovarian cysts. The application method is the same as for uterine fibroids. However, as with skin cysts, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment of ovarian cysts. The time it takes for cysts to resolve can vary significantly depending on their size and individual factors. Joint pain and inflammation. Castor oil packs can help alleviate joint pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis. Soak a cloth in warm castor oil, place it over the affected joint, and cover it with plastic wrap. Apply heat for 30 to 60 minutes. Research indicates that castor oil packs can provide significant pain relief within a few weeks of regular use. Eyelash hair growth. Castor oil is often used in beauty routines to promote eyelash and hair growth. It's believed that the nutrients in castor oil, particularly ricinoleic acid, can nourish hair follicles and encourage growth. To use castor oil for eyelash or hair growth, apply a small amount to the lashes or scalp using a clean mascara wand or fingertips. This can be done nightly before bed. Results may vary, and it may take several weeks to see noticeable improvement in eyelash or hair growth. Studies have demonstrated castor oil's ability to stimulate hair follicles, leading to thicker and stronger hair over time. Laxative. Castor oil is commonly used as a natural laxative to relieve constipation. Its main active ingredient, ricinoleic acid, has a stimulating effect on the intestines, promoting bowel movements. To use castor oil as a laxative, it's typically taken orally. The dosage can vary depending on age and individual tolerance, so it's essential to follow the instructions on the product label or consult a healthcare provider for guidance. Relief from constipation usually occurs within a few hours after taking castor oil orally. It's important to note that while castor oil is considered safe for topical use, and as a laxative for most people, it may cause allergic reactions or irritation in some individuals. Additionally, the effectiveness of castor oil for various conditions may vary from person to person, and scientific evidence supporting its use for some purposes may be limited. Always consult a healthcare professional before using castor oil or any other natural remedy, especially for treating medical conditions. Now, you might be wondering about the science behind castor oil's effectiveness. Well, numerous medical studies have explored its therapeutic properties. For example, a study published in the Journal of Dermatology Research and Therapy found that castor oil effectively improved skin hydration and reduced the severity of eczema symptoms. But where can you find quality castor oil? Look for cold-pressed, hexane-free organic castor oil to ensure maximum potency and purity. You can find it at health food stores or online retailers. Hexane is a neurotoxin chemical used to extract the oil from the seed. Exposure can cause headache, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, lightheadedness, and passing out. Remember, quality matters when it comes to natural remedies. Now, before you rush to try castor oil, it's essential to be aware of any contraindications. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid castor oil due to its potential to induce labor. Additionally, individuals with gastrointestinal issues or allergies to castor oil should consult a healthcare professional before use. Castor oil has a long history, going back thousands of years to ancient Egypt. People back then used it for medicine, finding it helpful for many health problems. The Egyptians used it as a laxative and also to treat skin issues and help heal wounds. As time passed, others in different places, like ancient Greece, started using it too, both for health reasons and to improve appearance. In the Middle Ages and beyond, castor oil stayed important in European medicine. It was famous for its ability to make people poop and for treating joint pain, skin troubles, and even for helping hair grow. Even when modern drugs came along, castor oil still stayed popular in natural medicine. It's known for helping with constipation, skin troubles, and some people say it can help hair grow longer and thicker. Many households worldwide still use it for these reasons today. Well, there you have it, remedy seekers. Castor oil is truly a versatile remedy with a wide range of health benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And of course, subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more natural health tips and remedies. Until next time, take care and happy healing.